Dr. Choll Kim here from sunny San Diego, California. We're getting started on my favorite surgery, the laser endoscopic discectomy, also called the LES procedure, which you have to admit is a very cool name for a minimally invasive procedure. Today we have a 49-year-old from El Paso, Texas. So he's big, just like everything in Texas. And he's got this disc herniation right here at L5S1. He has back pain and numbness and dysesthesias with activities, and it's really bothering him, and he cannot pursue all the things he loves doing in life. Very important to get him back to where he needs to be so that he can live life and get healthy and live a long time and enjoy it. So wish me luck. Okay, we're getting started. I made the perfect entry point, little stab incision right there, and now I have the spaghetti noodle dilator. I'm going to be like Helen Keller and Obi-Wan Kenobi all in one. I'm feeling the tip of this like Helen Keller, and I'm using the force like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh, and intraoperative imaging too, so. Okay. Thank you, shut and save. I can already see the leakage out the back right there. Shut and save. Shut and save. Woo! I got a huge leakage now. Shut and save. Okay, this is the part where I feel like I'm a dentist. There. Okay, here's the canal. It took me forever to get here because your bones are so thick, they're so strong, that I had to drill my way down there. But it's okay, you're worth it. There's the disc herniation right there. That's the drill tube across the top. Oh, I bet you this is going to come out like a hot pimple. Thank you. It's going to be a boy. That's why I still like the blue. It helps me. And you know, for me, I'm trying to perfect the technique in a manner that I can teach other people how to do it. Not just the best way for me to do it. And the blue is really helpful to me. And it's pretty. Okay, here's the kakapoo-poo. But it's like my teenage kids. It's not going to come out without a fight, I can tell. Oh, this is sucked in. Nerves. Look how stuck down to it is. You poor thing. This disc herniation is absolutely, completely stuck down to the nerve. Not no more. This is the sci-fi YAG holmium laser. Ooh. It's so funny that this just wants to come out, but it won't. It's shy. Laser, it's so magical. Okay, I'm just vaporizing that disc herniation. It's a hard disc combined with a soft component. A hard disc is basically the annulus instead of the nucleus coming out. And in some ways, it's less irritating because the nucleus is really inflammatory. So soft disc herniation that's extruded with mostly nucleus, it's really, really painful, but they tend to get better without surgery. A hard disc herniation is not as bad, but they don't get better without surgery. It just sits there. Like your punk teenage kids who refuse to clean the room before they go out. It's the gift that keeps on giving. It's little. but still, you never know what it can do. Yep. Let me see the salt and pepper one more time. This is a very hard disc. I suspect this has been here for a while. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Okay, I think I'm finally done. I've been reaching way medially. That feels good. No bumpy bump. Maybe a little bump right there. Thank you. Missing that snaggle tooth right now. That feels good too. I don't feel anything pathologic in there. Can you come in with fluoro now? Show me this quick pick. Okay, save that. I'm definitely across the midline. Nope. Save that image. There. You little bugger. I think that's just free. Not very pathologic. And look at that, you can see everything. Now the nerves are totally happy. He's barely even firing anything. But man, I want to get that little piece right there. Let me have my favorite tutor. I'm almost done now. For real this time. There's the nerve. This is where the disc herniation was, this big hole. That's the nerve in all its glory. That's the hole that we just came out of. And now I just need to look toward me, upside down and backwards. But that looks really good. I'm really happy so far. Okay, surgery's all done. I did the little poke. I'm going to put the Band-Aid on. It was very, very fun. That means it was challenging, but I took my time and got the job done. And I'm fully expecting that you get a great result, and we're all wishing you a speedy recovery. Right, guys?
Yeah!